In the daytime, I'm your mom. Just a normal girl with a normal life. Who the fuck are you? But there's something about me that no one knows yet. Because I've got a secret. I've got no life.
Ladybug may have failed, but Pegabug will bring him back, and together we'll go talk to his father.
You want to use the Miraculous of the horse and teleport yourself just for that?
Yes.
Try to make the most out of this trip.
Are you fucking serious? You're right, Natalie. You have to seize the opportunity when it presents itself to you.
And
say the magic words, Dusu spread my feathers.
oh! I'm Froggy, here I come. I'm anyone.
Don't stay here, otherwise you risk getting hurt by the bad guy. Ha!
I'm Froggy, here I come. I'm anyone.
Come on, no time to waste. Cata!
What are you doing?
I'll ban. Well, brilliant. I don't need you to protect me. We'll never get akumatized.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I'm here I come.
Raina! Shelter!
Raina?
She's...
I'm sorry.
I'm good with kids. I got this.
Ladybug.
But I can help.
Nothing. No Akuma.
I tricked you. You'll never find my Akuma because my object's hidden from you.
Okay, I need someone who hasn't been hit.
Farewell, Ladybug.
Adrian! But I've been hit by Risk. Risky. Risk. Am I doing this for the love of Risk or the risk of Risk? Oh, CATNOIR! Miraculous of the dog, Miraculous of the cat. Falcon cat! Funny, isn't it?
Hilarious. Nice working with you, CATNOIR.
Come on, shake paws.
Fuck no.
You're gonna be spending a lot of time together now that he's joined the team.
My greatest wish will finally come true.
Milady. Listen, I'm feline more generous than usual, milady. So cool down or else I'll lose my fucking mind. Listen, I'm feline more generous than usual, milady. So cool down or else I'll lose my fucking mind.